videotaping right now.
Okay. Ow! My back.
Brandan! What was that? You alright? January 2016, 25 plus inches storm. Bristow, Virginia. Kingsbrook Community. Here are the boys sledding. No school for 1+ week. Trying to enjoy their free days.
A rocket! There's a rocket!
A rocket?
That's not a rocket, that's a plane.
That's an airplane, kid.
No.
Okay.
No,
Again,
Brandan.
whose turn is it?
Brandan.
Okay. Can you please get him on?
I wanna,
Brandan, right here.
Let's go back. A glossy
You want
pen.
back? He wants to go backwards.
Okay, like me. He wants to go like me. Okay.
Okay, be careful.
I'm the one who teaches them.
Okay. Don't push him too hard over here, okay?
Okay, Mommy, I'll be over there for support.
Okay. Stay put, okay? You tell me when you're ready, okay, Jorge? Okay.
No.
Ready? That was not.
Go back.
Brandan, again.
Go back.
Try again. Try again.